Your business could be the best in your field, the top of the line, if you will. You could have the best products, the best customer service, and the best quality. But would any of that matter when no one has ever heard of your business before? Advertising will get you and your business's name out there. And no, advertising doesn't have to be big billboards or lengthy TV or radio commercials. They come in tons of formats that cater to different audiences. As a business owner, you should know your audience and what type of advertising best fits what you are selling. In this video, we'll go over 5 of the most common and effective ways of modern advertising. Social media advertising. The first type of advertising is probably one of the most common ones, social media advertising. There's no denying how much of a behemoth social media has become this century, such as TikTok, Instagram, and Snapchat for hours on end. For those who want to reach a large audience easily, but are working on a tight budget and schedule. Social media advertising mostly consists of visually appealing published material paired with an engaging caption that often has a call for action. Once done, you can just publish your social media ad and let it naturally reach the target audience. However, because of its ease and relative affordability, many other businesses also turn to social media advertising as their first go-to. So the real challenge is making a social media ad that stands out from the hundreds of other ads out there. Search engine advertising.